We've added some classes too. So we did a YouTube live class, worked very well. We've added some more. These are free, so a little shorter, not as in depth, but still about a half an hour. And if you want to ask questions, you will have to sign in to a YouTube account so that we can ask questions. To be clear though, you do not have to have a YouTube account. You can just view the live feed there. We'll start that at 9:15, the live feed, because the class will start at 9:30. So this coming Saturday, March 28th at 9:30, we'll have a free raised bed gardening class. So really talk through kind of how the soil conditioning, the plants to put in there and plants to avoid putting in there, how to harvest what you're growing and then when to pull that out and put something else in to be even more productive. So really that class is going to focus on getting that investment back out of that bed very quickly. Do bear in mind too, folks, that class will be online only. There'll be no in-house audience for that. We'll have those on Saturday at 9:30 a.m. Now as we move forward, and then we'll also look to add one through the week, and we'll also have it thinking about having one after hours. If you do miss those, they will be posted on our YouTube account there, and you can go back later on and view those too. So again, the website's updated with what we have, and we look forward to serving you.